Alright, this is the Omni Shaver, best product alive. This here is about 3 to 4 days growth. The man that invented this is a genius. It about killed me going this long without shaving it. You notice I have not had to clean the razor yet. The way he has designed this thing, it does not have to be cleaned every pass. You also see I'm going both directions versus the one direction as a standard razor, which is really time consuming. Now, I'm only use this thing a handful of times probably, so I'll have to get back to trimming around the ears. First clean. Now the directions is you can take short slow strokes or fast long strokes. However, I've just been going both ways trying to get used to it. To me, a little bit of pressure works great. I mean, you know, the shaving in general, you gotta have pressure anyways. It doesn't cut me up like a normal shaver would. First couple times, it was what it was, but that's with any new product. I'm grateful to be able to try this out. It is unlike anything I've ever used before, that's for sure. Now can't get around my ears too good right there. It does get it. It's just you gotta be, my ears just does not cooperate. Wipe the excess off. There it is.